My fascination with Vancouver Island started way back in university when I did an honors paper on the live capture of whales and dolphin. And I learned then that the northeast coast of Vancouver Island was really ground zero for some pioneering research on these amazing animals. And I learned that it was one of the best places in the world to see orca. So I knew when I started Karibu Adventures 3 years ago that the northeast coast of Vancouver Island absolutely had to be one of our signature trips. But it's not just the incredible orca and other wildlife. It's also incredibly rich when it comes to Indigenous culture and history and art. And when you bring that all together, it's truly a really special trip.